my name is Tarun Kapoor. I work with M3M India Private Limited as a Senior Manager Sales, and I look after residential projects on the Dwarka Expressway. So today we are talking about Smart City Delhi Airport, which is right at the cusp of Delhi-Gurgaon border, and it is on the Dwarka Expressway, which we know that it is the longest and the widest expressway of the country. It has a total length of approximately 29 kilometers, which starts from Shiv Murti on the NH8 and ends at Kherki Dola toll on NH8 near Manesar. And the Smart City Delhi Airport is basically a 250-acre of development, which is on the concept of live, work and play. So it's a mixed-use development which M3M is coming. And as I said, Dwarka Expressway is 29 kilometers long, and the most important part of the expressway is where it connects Delhi and Gurgaon, which is the Delhi-Gurgaon border. And that is where M3M is coming up with a 250 acres of township by the name of Smart City Delhi Airport. So that's the most important area on the expressway, because that's where the Gurgaon portion of the expressway starts. Now I'll tell you about SCBA. What is SCBA? So it's Smart City Delhi Airport. It's a 250-acre township, as I said, and it's being developed by M3M on the concept of mixed-use development. So we have SCOs, we have retail market, we have residencies, we have golf-based residencies coming up in this SCDA, and this township is going to take M3M on the global footprints, because we have hired some of the best and world's most renowned team of architects and consultants to help us develop this township, which is SCBA. So Smart City Delhi Airport is surrounded by major landmarks like IGA Airport, which happens to be amongst the top 10 busiest airports around the world. It is at a distance of about 5 to 10 minutes from SCDA. Then we have Yashobhoomi, India International Convention Center, which has a seating capacity of more than 20,000 people at one go, and it is spread over 1 million square feet of area. Then we have Diplomatic Enclave 2 coming up in Dwarka, which is again at a distance of 5 to 7 minutes, which will house 39 embassies and residencies. Then we have Delhi Golf Club coming up near the Diplomatic Enclave, which is India's longest golf course. It's a 16-hole golf course. It's a day and night golf course, which will also have day and night children's academy, golf academy. Then we have 220 acres of Bharat Vandana Park. The entrance of M3M Mansion will be from the main service lane of the Dwarka Expressway, and then as you enter the project and you enter your tower, you're going to have double height centrally air conditioned towers with 4 lifts in each tower, which are air conditioned lifts. Then when you step into your apartment, we are giving you top of the line luxury in the apartment. For example, we are giving you VRV air conditioning in the entire house. When we talk about the space inside the apartment, so you will have a lot of space, because these are large apartments which will have a lot of space, especially in the balcony area, which will help you socialize and host large gatherings and groups. So talking about the balconies, we have the standard balcony is anyways quite large, which is almost 6 feet long. Then we have an option of wraparound balconies. We have option of deck balconies in these flats. So there is a lot of area which you will use to host your parties, to host your groups and socialize in these apartments. To talk about the parking, so there is ample of parking space planned in this project. So the visitors will have parking at the surface level, and all the residents will have their parking in the basement. So we are offering 2 levels of basement parking in this project, which has enough space to house parking for all the residents of the project. We are offering very attractive schemes and flexible payment plans for this project right now. So I'll request all of you to please visit our M3M Experia Sales Gallery on the Dwarka Expressway to know more about the schemes and the project. Thank you.